Looking at these kind of equipment, um, how do you see the equipment and with respect to product quality? How do they help in coming up with the best kind of products? And why did the organization decide to help with the funding?
Okay. Um, GSDF is a skills development agency under CTVET, which is helping SMEs in skills development. So let me introduce this. If someone wants to upgrade the skills, or if someone is applying for GSDF project, the person needs to stitch the skills gap that's needed in the, their particular organization. So let me say, if you have someone say, we have a factory, or we are having a business, let's say they are selling goods and services, or they are selling rice. If that person asks, or GSD that, oh, we want this kind of equipment in doing all our businesses, we are not going to bear. If that person states that, oh, this is the kind of skill gap that we have in our organization or in our business, then GSDF is going to support that particular skill development. So before doing this skills development, we need equipment to enhance this skill. That's where this equipment comes in. So we don't basically support the agreement of what equipment, but instead the skill development will help in bringing this equipment into place. Okay, so Ebenage Herbal came into GSDF to enhance the skills of what its staff. Okay, the equipment are going to help to upgrade one. Productivity is going to increase. So if productivity is going to increase, then what of the quality? We talk about the quality. We have taught them how uh, to handle this kind of equipment and even the product itself. So it's going to really help in their production when it comes to, let's say, their production level is 1,200 per the equipment. So at the moment, they will be able to produce in a massive manner, which is going to increase, let's say, the profit, and even they are going to increase, let me say, the customers, because at times maybe because of uh, let me say human interventions or the manual things, they are unable to satisfy the let me say their customers. But before because we have engaged them with this equipment, it's going to produce more, so which means they are going to satisfy their customers.
So, based on this, what are your expectations?
Oh, we expect that they employ more, because one of the key points for GSDF is to upgrade their skill. Then you employ, and after that, you increase your productivity, which is going to help the Ghanaian economy in general.
But generally, what would be your advice to other herbal medicine companies and even the general public with respect to how they can take advantage of such opportunities?
Oh, they need to apply to GSDF for this kind of improvements, and also before you apply, you need to upgrade yourself and state the kind of skills that you want, so that we upgrade your facilities.
Is there any other thing you'd like to add?
We need all Ghanaians or SMEs businesses to apply for GSDF grant projects. It's going to really help them to upgrade their skills and also help them in their production.
Let me mention your full name and your position.
I'm Samuel Achu Amate, a field money for GSDF under CTVET.